Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create easy split screen on Canva. And the way to create it, first you need to open your Canva and then make a new project like this. In today's, I'm using this landscape project. And now you just need to import your video that you want to add this split screen effect. Let's just go to your gallery, find the video that you want to import to this page. So for example, I'm going to use maybe this 1, 2, and this 3 video, this one, and add it to the page like this. And you just need to positioning each video onto the exact position that you want to put. So yep, let's just positioning it first. Okay, when you done positioning it, now click each clip and then swipe left your toolbar and go to corner to round the corner like this, to make the corner have a rounding shape. Do that on each clip like this. Okay, now go to layers and I'm going to change the color from the background. Go to layers, swipe up until you found the background and click it. Now go back to your main page and go to color and change the color onto the exact color that you want. Okay, when you done, the final result of it will be look like this. And that's the way how to create this cool video split effect on Canva. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.